The next thing we're going to tackle are the comments. In Drupal 8, comments are a field. So let's go to Structure, Content Types, Blog Entry, and Manage Fields. Let's click Add Field, and then under General, let's select Comments. I'm going to edit the machine name here, and we'll call this field Public Blog Comments. So one of the ideas behind comments as a field is that you can have multiple comment streams going on. For example, you might want a public-facing comment stream like this one, and you might also want an internal comment stream where you can discuss the content and any edits that need to happen to it. Let's click Save and Continue. Just like there are content types for nodes and vocabularies for taxonomy, there are comment types for comments. So comment types are the bundle or subtype and can be fielded, just like content types. Right now, there's only one type of comment, so we don't have any options here. Let's click Save Field Settings. The settings for a comment field are pretty straightforward. We have the help text and required field, and then under default value, it looks a little different. We have three options: open, closed, and hidden. This setting can be set for each piece of content individually. So what we're saying here is that we want comments to be open by default. So when a blog entry gets created, the commenting is open. If it were closed or hidden, we would have to manually set it to open for the content types we wanted to enable commenting on. The difference between closed and hidden is that closed means that new comments can't be added, but the comments that have already been added can be seen. Hidden means that commenting is closed and you can't see any of the comments. We'll leave this at open. Threading is a setting for how the comments display. A person can add a comment to the main content, and that will display as a top-level comment, but then people can comment on comments. And threading will display those comments on comments as indented, so you can kind of follow the thread visually as you look at the comments. The comments can be paginated, so they can be split between multiple pages if there's extensive commenting going on. By default, it's set to 50. If the Show Reply form on the same page as comments is checked, then you will see the Add Comment form on the content itself. If it's unchecked, then you'll see a link to add a comment and it will go to a separate page. When a comment is submitted, there's a Submit or a Preview button. We can set it to only show the Preview button by default, to show both the Submit and Preview button, or to just show the Submit button. We'll leave this at the default. Let's click Save Settings.